Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term elk. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, elke is short for look. People use it when they want someone to check something out quickly, often in texts or online chats. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different, depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. First showed up in early digital communication in the 2000s, especially among internet users and texters. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people who prefer quicker typing. Now let's check out how to use LK in a sentence. Correct example 1. Can you elk at this photo and tell me what you think? Correct example 2. Hey, elk this link I just found. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said elk at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using elk right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. LK means abbreviation for look. It started in early internet communication, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with elk in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.